Okay, we have got soup dumplings. I didn't have Kewpie mayo, so I just put like some normal mayo. So in here I've got soy sauce, chili crisp, and spring onions. I've had this before, but I've never had the thing. I'm just gonna poke them so they get in. Chili crisp is amazing, so let's pop it. So apparently you can do this as well. So let's try this. Okay, this is like really hot. This is actually really good. Right. So yeah, this is actually quite nice. Yeah, soy sauce, chili crisp oil, red spring onions. Let's put this one. Apparently people use them as people use egg cups as well. So hot. Wow. It's hot but nice. Hot but nice. Never had it these ones, never like kind of dressed them up at all. But yeah, never dressed these up at all. But they're good. They're just really hot. Let me just put a hole in these. Let's just put a hole in these so I think the juice can come out and don't, dig in them back too much. Oh my god. I'm just going to get some soup in here. These are the hoisin sauce one. We don't like onion. I'm not really a fan of these because these have onion, so. Oh, so good, like so delicious. I don't know. See, look at that, just, making sure. Oh yeah, this is so good. Yeah. Let me just get some of this. Lunch. Tastes pretty good. It's so fun. Actually, no. Yeah, if you like soy sauce and you like onion, you like them. They have onion in them. They're all gone. They taste so good. So soup dumplings. Let me try them that way. But yeah, nice. And that for lunch. That was good. So if you do like this, please subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.